Alam mo ba kung ano yung skin type mo talaga? Baka naman nagtataka ka kung bakit hindi umepekto sa'yo yung mga skincare products na ginagamit mo kaya ka nagkaka-pimples. Hi, my name is Charlotte. I'm the founder of Charlotte Organics, and my mission is to help Filipinos get clear, healthier skin with organic beauty products. So here are my skincare tips for you as a struggling hormonal acne for 15 years, going through several dermas. Ito yung mga natutunan ko na i-share ko sa inyo. So, number 1, kung sensitive skin ka, you are easily irritated with products na kakatry mo lang. Or number 2, your skin becomes red, itching, burning, stinging with tightness. And number 3, very prone ka sa allergic reactions, rashes, flare-ups when exposed to certain ingredients or harsh conditions. So, parehas tayo na sensitive skin kapag ito yung nafe-feel mo. Pangalawa is oily skin type. So, kung yung skin mo palaging shiny, especially on the T-zone, sa nose, chin, forehead, and then malaki yung pores mo palagi. Marami kang blackheads and regular din yung mga breakouts mo kasi palaging nag-oily yung face mo. So, yun yung oily skin type. So, number 3, combination skin type. Naturally, meron kang oily sa nose, forehead, sa chin, and dry or normal yung sa cheeks mo or other areas. Meron ka ring mga enlarged pores and breakouts din sa mga areas na nag-oily yung skin mo. And then, meron ka rin mga dry patches or tightness sa ibang areas. And lastly, dry skin. So, kung meron kang very rough and tight skin after ka mag-cleanse and palaging nag-flake yung skin mo and dull yung complexion mo, also, you have fine lines and wrinkles that appear more pronounced. Ano sa'yo yung skin type mo? Comment your answer below and I hope makaka-help sa'yo to. Follow for part 2.